On the bookshelf in my sitting room lives what looks like a very old photo album. You can see little pieces of plastic poking out from the sides, and it looks like it has been well loved, well used, and well worn. Only it's not a photo album. It's actually my Nana's recipe book. It's the book where she cut and slipped in notes to herself full of recipes that she loved from magazines and recipe booklets that she picked up over the years as she was baking and cooking. Her favourite recipes are contained in there, recipes that I remember when I was growing up enjoying with our family. Bakewell tart is one of those recipes. Nana loved the combination of fruit and almondy flavours, and it's one that I think my entire family loves to this day. So when I'm making Bakewell tart, I'm not only am I really enjoying baking something lovely for my family, but I'm also remembering learning to bake from Nana, from my granny ma, and from my mum, and continuing that tradition for my family to this day. That's something really, really special, don't you think?